Okay na?
Okay na siguro. Hello guys! Welcome to this video. So today, we were going to make a tutorial video about lot plotting in two easiest ways. Number 1 is manual drawing and number 2 is by using AutoCAD application. But before we proceed, let me introduce myself first. So before we begin in lot plotting, let us discuss first what is lot plan. In simple definition, it is a bird's eye view of the entire property. So sa lot plan, nakikita natin yung mismong itsura at orientation ng isang property. Isa din yung lot plan sa hinahanap pag kukuha ka ng building permit, particularly the zoning department. Di ka makakagawa ng proposed plan ng isang bahay or establishment pag wala ka nito. Kadalasan, si client wala siyang provided na lot plan and this plan can be provided only by the geodetic engineers. Pero in some easy ways, you can also plot your lot. Kung halimbawa wala pang lot plan and you need to start doing your proposal of house or building plan, or ikaw halimbawa si owner and gusto mong makita yung orientation at itsura ng lote mo, by using the Transfer Certificate of Title, TCT for short, or what we call titulo in Tagalog. So this TCT contains the location or address, the adjacent properties, and technical descriptions which include the bearings such as orientation, degree or angles, minutes, and the distance between each point. So, sabi ko nga a while ago, you can start plotting your lot if you have now the TCT. And now, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung two ways or process on how you do it. So, our first step is plotting it manually. Plotting in manual drawing is very convenient, lalo na kung wala kang computer sa bahay. You only need these following materials. Number 1 is protractor, for getting our angles later. Ruler, pencil to draw, marker, and the drawing sheet. And now, let's start the first step in manual plotting. Number 1 step, list down the technical description provided in your TCT. It is more easier at to avoid errors na din kung titingnan mo pa isa-isa yung bearing sa titulo. Next step, make a north-south orientation. The north and south will help us later in determining the position of our protractor and in which direction we will get the angles in each point. Next, step 3. Make a beginning point on your paper and just name it as point 1. Step 4. Put your protractor in the beginning point and make sure it is perpendicular, so much better if you use T-square if you have. Next, step 5. Using your protractor, get the angle of point 1 to 2 from your technical description and refer in north-south orientation to project your protractor. In our example, the indicated bearings in point 1 to 2 is we have here 63 degrees and a northeast orientation. So it is north, so we have to project our protractor upward. Then we will going to start in 90 as north, going to east, and get our angle which is 63. So count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 63. Step 6. So in our next step, you will just have to draw a guidelines, meaning it is only thin line from your beginning point up to your angle point. Then next step, using your ruler, get the distance between point 1 to 2 in your technical description. So we have here 20 meters, then point ulit, which is yan yung magiging point 2 natin, and dyan ulit magi-start yung pagkuha natin ng points to 3. So next, step 8. Repeat all the process only until you connect all lines back to point 1. Remember, if north yung nakalagay na orientation, dapat pataas yung protractor mo. Then if south naman, dapat pababa. Then in getting your angles, just refer to east and west orientation and what directions you will go.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine, yeah. Everything.
So last step, when you connect all points back to point 1, you need to indicate the bearings or dimensions and add other necessary details.
I'm just being genuine, yeah, I'm sick of being screwed. Feel my own adrenaline, yeah, I do just what I do. And I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad. I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah. Rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won, yeah. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine, yeah. Everything I do, I'm just being genuine, yeah. I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline, yeah. I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
Then make it darker if you want to avoid confusions.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad. I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah. Rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won, yeah. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine, yeah. Everything I do, I'm just being genuine, yeah. I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline, yeah. I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely.
So natapos na nga natin yung first process na manual plotting, guys. Let us now move on in easy lot plotting by using AutoCAD application and Microsoft Excel. So in our second process, mas okay siya for me. Kung meron naman kayong available computer o laptop sa bahay, we will going to use these two applications. The AutoCAD application by Autodesk and Microsoft Excel. And now, let's begin on our easy steps. Step 1. Just open your AutoCAD and Excel application, and while waiting for them to open, let's list down again our lot bearings from our TCP.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Next, step 2. Pag okay na yung app at nalista mo na yung bearings mula TCT, punta muna tayo sa Microsoft Excel at kailangan mo lang gawin yung table na ginawa ko. So yun, as you can see in our first table, we have here the points 1 to 2 up to 4 to 1. At sa table 2 naman, dito dapat natin makita yung north at south orientations. Next table is yung degree or angles, followed by next table which is minutes. Ang next table natin is east-west orientation, tapos kasunod nito is yung distance. Then yung last table is dyan natin ilalagay yung formula na i-input natin sa AutoCAD natin. And going back to our next step, ilalagay na nga natin yung magiging formula natin. Gayahin nyo lang yung ilalagay ko dito. So, equal sign, then all caps na concatenate, open parenthesis, double quotation, tas at symbol. Double quotation ulit, comma, then F2 which is yung table ng distance, then apostrophe, then next is yung scale mo. Kung gagamit ka ng millimeter, 1,000 yung ilalagay mo. If meters naman, just put 1 here, then comma ulit, double quotation, tas angle bracket, double quotation ulit. Tas comma, B2, comma, C2, then comma ulit, double quotation, small letter D, then double quotation, comma, D2, comma, double quotation, then single quotation, tas double quotation ulit, comma, then E2, then close parenthesis. At after nyan, dapat ganyan yung lalabas sa table nyo. So next, step 4, just copy and paste the formula in other rows. Step 5. Dito sa next step natin, we will just input the bearings we listed from our TCT a while ago.
Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. Grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah.
Then proceeding to our step 6, after all details were input in all tables, just copy the content of this table and now you can go to your AutoCAD application. Using AutoCAD, just type PL, then click on your model wherever you want. Go to this, click, then paste your clipboard from your Excel. Then boom, an automatic way of plotting your lot. So last step, like in our last procedure in manual drawing, we were also going to input our bearings and add some details.
For today, for a minute, I don't stay, I just visit, have no shame, I admit it. Looking right at me, to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now. man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it all, you got one life to ball. Thinking big, never small, cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it on. Need a hand out, I already stand out. Starting to advance now, ready to expand now. You don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now, feeling in command now. They're looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now.
Now, before I end this video, I want to show you one of my plotted lot when I work in a construction company. So this one is two adjacent lots. So as you can see, there's two technical descriptions here. So if you haven't seen yet, the lot plan signed by the geodetic engineers looks like this. As you can see, all the details in your land title must be indicated here. Like here, the bearings, the adjacent properties, the road locations, and the north orientation. So in right side, it must be include the followings: the owner, the land title number, the location, the area in square meter units, and the scale you use in your sheet. Then under of those details is the date you plot it and signed by a registered geodetic engineer. So that's all for this video. I hope you gained and learned something from me, and I hope you can now do your own lot plan. Thank you for watching. Keep safe always and have a nice day everyone.